Welcome everyone to another episode of GynoGyan with me. Today we are going to talk about the much awaited tummy toning exercises for not only the new become mothers but all of us. Congratulations! Your body just grew a new human being and you are now mother. That's super incredible. If you are like most of us, you've probably left behind a few battle wounds. Yes, I am talking about the postpartum exhaustion, the roller coaster of emotions and the postpartum belly. Are you thinking, baby's out? So what makes the belly bulge? Is it belly fat? Is it the loss of tone or the hormones? It is a little bit of everything. Patience, a healthy diet, appropriate exercise and believing in your powers is the key. Before we start up with this short 20-minute regimen to tone up your tummy, remember belly wraps, belts and corsets are good to use post-delivery. They will support your tummy and your lower back and will help you flatten your belly, but they will not change your shape. Let's start with this short, low impact, mild to moderate exercise regimen which can be followed by all moms post delivery. A week after a normal delivery usually and 6 to 8 weeks after a cesarean after consulting with your doctor. To demonstrate and help us understand these exercises, we have with us a dynamic young physiotherapist, Mrs. Nirali Bithani, who is also a mother of 2. Knee rolling. In the back lying position with knees bent, pull in the abdomen, inhale and roll both knees to one side as far as comfortable, keeping shoulders flat. Return knees to the upright position and release the abdomen. Exhale. Pull in again and roll both knees to the other side. Bridging. Lie on the floor. Your spine should be against the ground with knees bent at a 90-degree angle. Feet flat and arms straight at your sides with palms facing down. Raising your hips off the ground by squeezing your gluteus, hamstring and pelvic floor muscles. Your body resting on your upper back and shoulders. Hold the position for about 5 seconds and return to starting position. When you're comfortable with the basic bridging, you can do 2 more extra steps. 1. You can add weight over your tummy to increase your muscle strength. That weight could be your newborn baby. In the next step, while doing the bridging, you can extend one leg in the air alternately. Straight leg raising. In this exercise, lie on the floor, raise your leg up to 40 to 50 degrees. Do it on the alternate leg. When you are comfortable with this level, the next level. Raise both your legs at the same time. Crunches. Lie on the floor with both knees 90 degrees bent position. Lift your head off the ground. Once you're comfortable with this basic crunch, next level, lift your head and both arms off the ground. Quadruped. This exercise is a full body move that makes you engage many muscles at once, including the pelvic floor. Start on all fours with wrist under shoulders and knees under hips. Your back should be straight and your neck should be neutral. To start the move, simultaneously straighten and raise your left leg and right arm, keeping your pelvis and shoulders in a neutral position. Don't raise or lower your head. Hold position for 2 seconds and return to original position. Do the same thing with the alternate leg and arm. Let us now check out a few asanas of modern yoga, which will not only help us tone our tummy muscles, our abdominal muscles, but also give calm and soothe to our mind and soul. Asana 1. The Shashanka Asana, also known as the pose of the moon or the hare pose. Shashank in Sanskrit means moon, which symbolizes peace and calm. This asana stretches the back muscles and relieves back pain, which is a common problem during breastfeeding and long sitting hours post-delivery. It also tones the pelvic muscles and the sciatic nerve, along with having a cooling and calming effect on the brain. Sit in kneeling down position on the floor. Bring the big toes together and separate the heels. Lower the buttocks onto the inside surface of the feet with the heels touching the sides of the hips. Place the hands on the sides of the thighs. Bend the trunk forward from the hips, keeping the arms and head straight and in line with the trunk. At the end of the movement, the hands and the forehead should rest on the floor. Hold position for 5 seconds. Number 2. The Bhujanga Asana, also known as the Cobra pose. This asana opens up the shoulders, neck and tones the abdomen along with strengthening the entire back. It improves blood circulation and reduces fatigue and stress. Lie on your stomach with your toes flat on the floor and forehead resting on the ground. Keep your legs close together with your feet and heels slightly touching each other. Place your hands under your shoulders, keeping your elbows parallel and close to your torso. Taking a deep breath in, slowly lift your head, chest and abdomen while keeping your navel on the floor. Pull your torso back and off the floor with the support of your hands. Keep smiling, keep breathing. The smiling cobras. Breathing out, gently bring your abdomen, chest and head back to the floor. Trikona Asana, also known as the triangle pose. It relieves gastritis, improves spine flexibility and decreases backache. Also gives strength to the ankles and the palms. It has an added advantage in reducing discomfort of period cramps. It releases the happy hormones and leaves a smile on your face. Stand straight. Separate your feet comfortably wide apart. Turn your right foot out 90 degrees and left foot by 15 degrees. Ensure that your feet are pressing the ground and the weight of your body is equally balanced on both the feet. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, bend your body to the right downwards from the hips, keeping the waist straight, allowing your left hand to come up in the air while your right hand comes down towards the floor. Keep both arms in a straight line. Keep taking in long, deep breaths with each exhalation. Relax. Relax the body more and more. As you inhale, come up. Bring your arms down to your sides and straighten your feet. Repeat the same on the other side. Number 4. The Pavan Mukta Asana. This asana relieves the flatulence and constipation and helps get rid of the stubborn fat on the belly and the pelvic areas. In lying down position, bend both legs at the knees and rest the thighs against the abdomen, keeping the knees and the ankles together. Encircle the knees with both your arms. Bend the neck and place the chin on the knees. Continue to maintain the asana, breathing normally. Slowly return to starting position. The Makara Asana, also called the crocodile pose. This asana relaxes the body and the mind with extra relaxation to the back muscles. Just lie down, relaxing your body. Take both your legs up, making a 45 degrees angle between the thighs and the calves. Hold up your chin in both your palms. Relax, breathe, do not think. Hold for a few seconds and come back to original position. Next, the Paschimottanasana. This is one of the most important asanas in modern yoga exercise. It helps lose weight, improve the muscle tone, and is also linked to better heart health and improved immunity. Sit on the floor with your knees stretched out straight in front of you. Keep your spine erect and toes flexed towards you. Breathe in. Breathe out as you bend forward and extend your torso over your legs, keeping the spine erect. Stay in this position as long as you can. Breathe in and raise yourself up. Breathe out, come back to normal position. Ending the exercise regimen with Vakrasana or the half spinal twist posture. This asana again is important part of losing belly fat and also tones the nerves around the spinal cord, strengthening the abdominal muscles at the same time. Sit on the mat with your legs stretched out in front of you. Keep your hands parallel to the hips or thighs with palms resting on the floor. Bend your left knee at 90 degrees with knee pointing towards the sky, placing the left foot near your right knee. Bring your right hand forward, place it on the outer side of your folded left knee while twisting your waist. Note that your right elbow should be touching the left knee. Now hold your left ankle with your right hand. Turn your head to the left and place your left hand flat on the floor just behind the hip. Hold this position for a count of 30 and breathe normally. Now release your hand holding the right ankle and your left twist. Now turn your head and stretch your legs. Repeat the same for the other side. Start slow when you start. Start with about 3 to 5 repeats per exercise and go on to 10 repeats per exercise per day. Asanas can be done to about 3 to 5 repeats a day. For anything gynecological or any specific women health topic that you would want to know about, leave a comment below and subscribe to this stream of endless GynoGyan. Happy toning, happy exercising, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.